Hey trophies, welcome to I Jump Instead and welcome to this 10-minute rebounder Saturday stability workout where we're going to be testing our balance. So this is an all levels class, beginner friendly. So let's go ahead and get started. Get ready to be balancing from jawline to feet. I'm on my JumpSport 350 Pro, a very sturdy, stable rebounder. I love it. So let's go ahead and just do 1 minute of baby bouncing, and I want us to stretch the calves. So let's do some knee points here forward. We're also stretching the ankles. Close the mouth for proper mouth posture. We need to be nose breathing. And then we're gonna relax the eyes and the shoulders. We're gonna stand up nice and tall and poised. We want our breath to be as calm and still as possible. Now let's take the knee points outward, stretching deeper into the hips. Really come up on the balls of those feet so you really get into those calves. Excellent. Now let's just do some calf bumps here where we're pumping the heels up and down, putting extra resistance into the calves. And anytime you need to drop your heels, go ahead and do that. Let's do our stability work now. Come up on one foot and let go of your handlebar. We're gonna do a no bounce 2-minute segment. We're gonna switch at the 15 for the first minute. We're gonna switch at the 30 for the second minute. Let's go ahead and switch sides. Anytime you need to drop your foot or touch your handlebar, go ahead and then see if you can eventually get through this 10-minute class without touching the handlebar. Let's go ahead and switch. You can have your hands any way you want. If you want them in a high W here, you can have them out to the side, straight out. You can have them, let's go ahead and switch. You can have them on your waist in a flex hold here, and you can move them through the workout. Keep your chin parallel to the ground and strong through your spine. Okay, we're gonna switch and do 30 seconds of balance. Stay present in your body and your mind. Smiling can help you relax your body, so smiles are welcome. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and switch. Perfect. Stay strong. Beautiful. The next 2 minutes are going to be 15, 15, 15, 15, just like we did, and then 30, 30, except we're going to add some bouncing. So get ready to do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch and balance and add just the littlest bounce here. Excellent. Perfect job. Let's go ahead and switch again. You can put your hands on your shoulders too if you want. Stay poised. Let's go ahead and switch. Keep that chin nice and parallel to the ground, a little bit lifted. And switching one more time. Perfect. Then we're going to do 30, 30. Stay strong, stay present, stay relaxed and poised. Excellent job. Let's go. 30 seconds. Little bit of bouncing. Strong core, strong back, relaxed shoulders. Beautiful job. 3, 2, 1, and switch. Strong leg muscles. All right, then next minute, we're gonna do 30 seconds of standing, no bounce, front kicks, and then 30 seconds of side kicks. So let's get ready for those. You can turn to the side if you think you need to kick higher than your handlebar. 2, 1. So we're just going to lift, balance, and kick forward and drop, staying very mindful. If you're a high kicker, you can turn and kick higher. Use that leg strength, that core strength, that back strength. Beautiful. Do your best and notice progress over time. One more, then we're gonna do side kicks. These take a little more balance. So lift up to the side, keeping your foot parallel to the ground. Nice and strong through your core and your back. Beautiful. Relaxed eyes, teeth closed. The next 30 seconds is gonna be back kicks, and then we're gonna do squats. Let's go ahead now and kick back up behind us slowly with stability. Beautiful job. Excellent, looking so good. Strong core, strong back. And now we're gonna balance on one foot and we're just gonna do babiest of baby squats. So just a little movement here, up and down. Do your best, and at the 45, we're gonna switch sides. Beautiful, let's go ahead and switch. Great job. Excellent. Just the littlest bit. Then we're gonna do alternating knee lifts, 2 count bounces. All right, let's get bouncing here. Keep your arms up, and we're gonna bounce 2 and up 2, down 2, up 2. And I want you to stay very stable here, just feeling your stability and your balance as you lift and hold, and give your abs a little squeeze with your lift. Crunch 2 down, crunch 2 down. Excellent. No handlebar, feeling strong. Excellent job. Staying present, staying relaxed, and poised. Jaw closed. Up posture. Excellent. The next minute is going to be 3 bounces, knee lifts and mid bounces, okay? So just adding a bounce. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, down 2, 3, up and down. Perfect. Do your best. That's all I want. Perfect. Up and down. Up, down. Bingo. Bravo. Up and down. Stay on trophy track, down. You're looking so good, and down. Poised and present. Up and down. Excellent job. Up and down. Coming close to the end. We're just gonna do some calf pumps for the last minute. Last one, up and down. Perfect. You can keep your hands off the handlebar if you want. We just want to do some calf pumps here. So just glide up through the balls of your feet, lifting your heels. And when your calves need a break, just drop and bounce normally, and then come back up and give me more pumps. They really are more efficient with the handlebar. So go ahead and grab that handlebar and give me some really good calf pumps. And then let's turn our feet outward and give ourselves some Mary Poppins calf pumps here. And then just take mid-bounce breaks in between. And then let's do a little pigeon toe underneath the pinky toe. Just easy breezy calf pumps, ankle stretching and strengthening. Excellent. And then let's end the class with an easy rock. Perfect. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent job. So at the end of class, I want us to give us a rating of 1 to 10. How well did we do? Did we not hold on to the handlebar the entire time? You get a 10. If you were touching the handlebar, you get a 9, 8, 7. Don't worry about your score. I want you though to work on your score and see if you can work your way up to no holding on for the entire 10 minutes. A super fun challenge for you. This little stability work is very rehab friendly, it's physical therapy, it really is. And so if you're looking to bring more strength into your ankles and your knees and into your whole body, this could be an excellent workout to do every single morning. And then you will notice that you are hitting it with more balance, more precision every single time, and you just get to give yourself a trophy pat on the back every single time you do this workout because you're on your rebounder and you have your trophy body. Thanks so much for being here, trophies. I'll see you in your next jumping workout. Have a fantastic rest of your trophy day. Bye-bye.